Breaking: Apple's iPhone 17 Pro battery leak exposes a radical design shift. But is it enough to win over skeptics? Exclusive images of the iPhone 17 Pro's battery reveal a game-changing steel-cased, L-shaped power unit, signaling Apple's boldest hardware gamble in years. While the design builds on the iPhone 16 Pro's thermal innovations, leaked prototypes expose surprising regional variations that could redefine how we think about smartphone customization. Let's unpack what this leak really means for users. The steel revolution: why this isn't just another battery upgrade. Apple's switch to a stainless steel enclosure, first spotted in iPhone 16 Pro models, isn't just about durability. Here's the kicker: steel's crystalline structure allows 40% faster heat dissipation than aluminum. According to materials science experts, this thermal superpower enables three critical improvements. 1. Sustained peak performance during intensive tasks. Think 4K video editing or AR gaming. 2. Reduced throttling risks through optimized thermal pathways. 3. Space-efficient packaging that might explain the controversial removal of the Great SIM divide. US versus China models spark debate. But here's where Apple plays a dangerous game. The US variant completely eliminates physical SIM slots, stretching the battery 2.3 millimeters wider to fill the reclaimed space. Meanwhile, the Chinese model retains a dedicated SIM tray cavity despite global eSIM trends. Why this regional split? Industry insiders suggest it's a calculated nod to China's slower eSIM adoption. But does this compromise Apple's famed design uniformity? Hidden upgrades most tech sites are missing. Revolutionary Fusion Seal adhesives, patent pending, promise 70% easier battery replacements, a direct response to right-to-repair lawsuits. Motherboard realignment creates an empty zone at the top left corner. Augmented reality accessory port, expanded MagSafe capabilities. The rumor mill churns. Charging speeds remain unconfirmed, but the steel casing's thermal buffer could safely support 45-watt plus charging. If Apple dares to finally abandon its conservative 20-watt legacy, the billion-dollar question: will this battery actually last longer? While capacity specs remain under wraps, the steel framework allows 12% denser cell stacking compared to previous designs. However, critics argue that without breakthrough battery chemistry, these gains might only offset the power demands from Apple's rumored A19 Pro chip. Are we looking at meaningful progress or just clever packaging? Launch timeline: final thoughts. Slated for September 2025, this prototype already shows Apple's confidence in regional hardware customization, a stark departure from their one-size-fits-all history. But here's the controversy. Should a $1,200-plus phone in 2025 still require physical SIM slots in any market? And does steel's weight penalty, estimated plus 14 grams, undermine the ergonomic refinements of recent models? Sound off below. Is Apple solving real problems here, or just rearranging the deck chairs on its flagship iPhone? Your move, tech community.